Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So this is the unboxing for the Samsung S7 Adidas case. So I really liked it as I saw it on one of my friend's phones, and she's got an iPhone. So I said to her, oh, I wish they did it in Samsung S7. And she was like, oh, she got it from EE, but they only had it for iPhone, so I got this actually off eBay. And it says that, you know, it's real. I know it's real because I like the packaging, but also from how much it cost me. But yeah, I really like it. So yeah, let's unbox. It's just got such a nice feel to it. I can't even open it. I'm probably going to need scissors. Oh, this is really embarrassing. Don't really want to spoil the box. I might have to go into Beats mode. Oh. I'm just going to get some scissors. Why would they make something where you can't open it? There we go. Oh, do I pull it from the bottom? No. Horrible unboxing. Oh. Anyway. So yep, this is it. It's got a really nice feel to it. So it's basically like leather, but also like rubber as well. So, you know, I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah. So cut out for the camera, volume, lock button, a little bit of branding there as well, and then inside it's quite soft. But yeah, I'm going to put it on my phone now. So I've got this case at the moment. Got textured feel to it. It's nice, but it's quite slippery. So like if it's in my car on my dashboard, it'll just fly off. But it's really good. Like it's really, protection's really good. It's quite a rugged case. So take this off. Put it in. There we go. Looks really nice. Really like it, really happy with it. So yeah, please give this video a like or a comment. There'll be more content coming soon. I've actually ordered another Adidas case, which is a flip case, and I ordered that one on Amazon. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.